Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your computer to your Samsung Smart TV. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to basically mirror their computer to their Samsung Smart TV. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, what you want to do is that first we're going to hop onto our computer. And the way that we're going to do this is that on your computer, let me go and raise the brightness a bit. You need to navigate to this setting right over here, so System Settings. And then there's multiple ways you can do this. The way I do it is that if you scroll down to where it says Control Center, and then where it says Screen Mirroring, I set this to always show in menu bar. And what this means is that this icon is the screen mirroring icon. So if you click on that, and then click on your Samsung Smart TV, you'll see that your Samsung Smart TV is now connected to your laptop. So that right there is a really easy way to go ahead and mirror your computer. And you can also see that there are some different settings here in which you can use your Samsung Smart TV as another monitor, or you can actually use it as a mirror display, meaning that what's on your MacBook Air or laptop is going to display what's on your Samsung TV. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your laptop to your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.